Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Liberation through Renunciation, Chapter 18, Shloka 17. He who is free from the egoistic notion, whose intelligence is not tainted by good or evil, though he slays these people, he slays not, nor is he bound by the action.
Chapter 18, Shloka 17. Yasya nahankrito bhavo buddhiryasya na lipyate hatvapi sa iman lokan nahanti na nibadhyate.
Chapter 18, Shloka 17. To make the fact more clear that the spirit is not the doer and all action is in the realm of matter alone, the Lord continues. The realm of matter is the field of all activity, and all agitations and sorrows belong to it. The spirit is independent of matter. It is like a farmer which is independent of the field, and yet in its identification with the self projections on the field feels happy or unhappy according to the condition of the field at any given moment. The unhealthy contact gives rise to the ego, which in its turn comes to suffer the agitations of life. Lord says that he who is free from the sense of egoism and whose intelligence is not tainted by false values of possession and aggrandizement does no action, even though activities take place all around or even through him, and that though he slays these people, he slays not. This should not be understood that a man of wisdom who has withdrawn from the false evaluation of matter will no longer act in the field or the world and remain like a statue. He will act in the world, and to him it will be like a self-entertaining game. A man of perfection learns to detach himself and act, and therefore no impressions are created in his intellect. A murderer and a soldier both kill. The former develops vasanas, and under the pressure of the tendencies again and again commits crimes, and the foul vasanas register, while the hero in the battle front, though he too kills many, returns as a refined personality, as his mind was fixed in his love for the country. Once the ego is surrendered in the consciousness of the divine, the bondage of the vasanas no more remain. No more vasanas remain. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.